Hello everyone. So I'm really excited making this video today, and this is because a lot of you are always asking if the websites I mentioned in my videos are available worldwide. Some say it doesn't work for them, others say they don't know where to get started. So I'm going to address all of that in this video. So if you're new to the online money making business, or you have been there but you've not been able to make, even if it's $1, make sure to watch this video to end, because I've been able to make my research and I've discovered a way that you can actually earn. Now, I was able to compare this particular website to others that offer the same service, and I discovered that this very one is far more better and it is available for everyone. You don't need to have any skill, you don't need to have any experience, you don't need to have any degree, you don't even need a boss. You just do this at your own convenience in your home. So all you have to do is just make sure you watch the video and follow the process, because I'm also going to show you how you can sign up to get started on this website. Now, before we get started, it's important for me to tell you that for this particular website, you don't need to do any typing job, you don't need to do any writing job, because I see that people are not really able to get into any of those typing jobs because they're probably scared of the test, or they don't have the much typing skills that are needed. So this one, you don't really need any skill. And like I said before, I made my research. This particular website can actually pay you directly into your bank account, regardless of the country where you reside. This really sounds cool. So if you are in Africa, in Asia, because these are the people that actually reach out to me to say these things are not working, this would certainly work for you. Just get ready. Once you have a laptop or a phone, an internet source that you can actually use to access this website, then you're very much good to go to get started making money on this website, provided you're going to give an honest opinion. Yes, you heard me right, honest opinion. That is what it is, because they have a system that allows them to check your answers to know if you're actually lying or if you're telling the truth. But you don't need to worry, because all the questions you're going to be seeing on this website are usually questions about your daily life routines, like the things you buy from the store and everything about the products you use. So those are majorly the kind of questions you're going to be seeing. It's not something that you're going to be scared of, like it's something you can easily answer and move over to the next one. So this is the website, and the name is called surveyo.com, and registration is free, as you can see here from the website. In just a few seconds, it does not really take much time, you complete your registration. And then the everyday response to survey and studies, these are just in a few seconds. You join the community and then start giving your answers, and you pocket your money, treat yourself. So this is what you're going to be seeing on the website. So from here you can see that your data is protected. They have quality survey and have controlled partners here on the website. So the website is quite simple, and here you can decide how much you get to earn in a day, like up to $40 or even $40 and more. All you have to do is just to click and get started. So to get started with this website, you click here where it says up to $20. Then you're going to fill out this information here: your name, your first name, your email address, your password, and your country of residence, then date of birth, and then you continue. And once you are done with that one, you're going to see this page where you're going to fill out your profile, things like your address, your city, you input your city, your postal code. Now, if you don't know your postal code, you can just go to Google and type the postal code of the city where you resided. You're going to see the postal code come, and then you copy it from there and go back to the website. You fill out your country and your gender, all of those stuff. And once you're done, you click save my information, and then your information will be saved. Then you'll be able to access your dashboard and your paid survey. So but before I continue, please take a time out, like this video, subscribe to my channel. I make videos about how you can make money online so that you don't miss out on any part. We're on the road to 2,000 subscribers. I thank you so much for your support. So your dashboard is going to look like something like this. This is what your dashboard is going to look like, where you see the money you earn after you must have finished making any survey. Now, to access the surveys, you're going to click here where it says paid survey. Now you're going to see lots of paid survey here. As you can see, this one will pay you $1.06, and here you see you're going to take like 14 minutes to answer this question, and the timing is not really that much. So you can see the amount you're going to be earning for each survey, and there are lots of survey. Like if you can dedicate like 2 hours in a day, you can actually finish this survey in a day, the ones that I have that are available here. Now there are other ways you can actually earn from this website. If you come here where it says my bonus, you click my bonus, you can see that there are other ways you can earn. You can leave a review about the website and then you earn this amount. Then if you complete 2 surveys, you earn this amount. and there are other bonuses that are yet to be unlocked as you continue to use. Now, these are the ways you can actually earn by doing things that promote the website. Then you'll start getting paid for it. Now, other ways you can actually earn is by referring people. So if you think the website is good enough for you, you can refer people to the website, and then they use your referral code and you get some commissions from anything they're able to earn from the website. So these are the ways you can actually earn. But remember, your payment threshold is $20, so you have to keep up the work to be able to get to $20. And because they have lots of survey available to you, you can easily get to $20 if you're dedicating time doing these surveys. So you might want to take this out, sign up with them on the website. I'm going to leave the link to the website in the comment section so you can access it. And please let me know if you're going to be trying it in the comment section. Now, if you're looking for other easy to do tasks, you might want to check out this video. Please don't fail to like, subscribe to this channel so that you can get other updated videos as we make them. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.